Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about array union function in Spark SQL. So whenever there is a requirement that we need to add union to array, then with the help of a array union function, we can do it. So this is a signature of array union function. It takes two parameter. These two parameter is of array type and the return it returns an array of the element in the union of array 1 and array 2 without duplicate. So whenever the union will be going to happen, it will not going to maintain the duplicates. So let's uh, do an exercise. So in this exercise, what I am just doing, I am creating this table. It has a 6 attributes and these are the some insert statement. With the help of this insert statement, I will going to insert data in this table. Once data gets inserted, then I will going to write this query. So what I'm just doing this query, in this query, I am creating a CT. CT is nothing but a temporary table. And with the help of this collect list function, by providing the parameter AP salary, it will going to create two column which has data in the form of array. The data will be taken from AP salary and with the help of a collect list function that it will going to convert into a array. Once this cities gets created, so what I am just doing, I am writing this array union function. So what array union function will going to do? It will going to take these two list as a parameter, do the union, return a new array, and that array will be available in this column. And most important, it will not going to maintain the duplicate records. So let's do this exercise over Databricks. Let me create a notebook. Name this notebook as array union. To complete this exercise, we need one table and we need some data into it. For both the purposes, we need a insert script. One scripts. One script would be to create a table, and second script must contain a lots of insert statement to insert some data into the table. I have already created both insert statements, or both scripts, not insert statements. Script. This is the insert statement. So this script is to create a table. So let me copy this script, paste here and run it. Spark will going to create this table. Okay, table has been created successfully. Let's insert some data with the help of these insert statements. Run it. Spark will going to execute each insert statement one by one. So let's wait till each and every insert statement execute successfully. Okay, all the insert statements have been executed successfully. Let's see the data. Run it. We can see these are the same data which we have inserted with the help of this insert statement. Now let's use the array union. But we have discussed that array union will go into union two array into one. But this table does not contain any column which is of a array type, or does not contain elements which in the form of a array. So let's create a column which is of a array type. So there are two functions available in Spark SQL. One is collect list and second is collect set to create a array list. So let's use collect list function to create a column which is of array type. Let me format this command say. Now let's use the collect list function. Let's in the collect list function, let's provide AP salary. So what collect list function will going to do? It will take all the data from the AP salary and put into a list, and that list will be available in this column. It will going to require two array type column. So let me copy this and let me paste here. Let me run it. We can see two columns gets created which has the same records, because this collect list, this array we are creating with the help of a collect list function by providing all the elements which is present in the AP salary. Let's put this select into a city. Let me format it again and let me run it. So we can see same records. Okay. Now let's use the array union. And here let's pass these to list, which we have created with the help of a collect list function. And the resultant array will be available in this column, and name of the column is AP union. Let me copy this column as well so that the data would be more visible. We can see this is the list which is coming from here. This list has been generated with the help of a collect list statement here. Now let's see the AP salary union. So this AP salary union, it has union this list 1 and list 2, but without duplicates. So all the duplicates records which are present in these two list, it's get removed, and only those element which is present in both the columns it is available here. So whenever there is a requirement that we are going to add two big array into one without duplicates, so with the help of an array union function we can able to do it. So let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.